A question that a lot of our borrowers ask pretty often is, where do I find a joint venture capital partner? And I would say this is something that's going to take a little bit of effort on the borrower side. The difference between a joint venture agreement is it's not a family member that can give you that gift letter. It's someone outside of your family, family friend, or friends who have capital and want to invest in real estate. The easy sell on this is, hey, joint venture capital partner, you can come in, provide the capital, get some of the equity lift when I sell the property. You bring in $20,000. At the end, I give you $25,000, just for example. They're getting some lift on their capital invested, and they're not on the loan. They're not guaranteeing the loan. You're guaranteeing the loan. You're doing all the work as the borrower, and that joint capital partner is just taking return on equity, their equity invested in your deal. There's probably a lot of resources out there. Again, friends of family, your inner sphere, guys from the golf course, the gym, people that you know that you're telling about what you're doing, and they're excited about all the money you're making and they want to get a little part of it, but they don't want to have their name on the deal. This is a great way for this to do it. And there's probably great resources on the internet. Facebook has a lot of groups for private money lenders. Just make sure that you're not taking a second trust deed. You're taking a joint venture agreement. You're offering a joint venture agreement as equity partner in your transaction. DM me if you want to find out more, and we would be happy to help you out and help you structure your deal.